Welcome back to Poorly Educated Today in the News, where the planet woke up, drank diesel coffee, and chose panic. We got Middle East chaos messing with oil, UNICEF shipping aid like it's ordering pizza through a hurricane, Russia hammering Ukraine while everybody's ammo cabinet looks emptier than my fridge before payday, and America's primaries looking like a county fair where the prize pig is democracy. California has 61 governor candidates, which ain't an election. That's a group text with taxes. New Jersey's got a congressman missing votes but still doing stock trades. Buddy, that's not public service. That's ghosting with a brokerage account. And Trump's anti-weaponization fund got paused because apparently even the courts said, "Hold up, this slushy tastes like corruption."